This is Matthew from the Windows Club. If you encounter the error, the USB controller is in a failed state or is not currently installed on your Windows system, then either read through this article on the website or simply watch this video. I will guide you through the resolution. The first solution is to update the system drivers. This will include the USB drivers as well. To install the latest drivers on your system, please go to the website intel.com and search for the Intel Driver and Support Assistant in the Intel search bar at the top right corner. Download the tool and run it to update all of your system drivers at once. Reboot your system after this process. The second solution is to disable the Selective Suspend feature. Press the Windows key and the R button together to open the Run window. In the Run window, type the command powercfg.cpl, hit Enter to open the Power Options window. Now click on Change Plan Settings corresponding to the active power plan. On the next page, click on Change Advanced Power Settings. In the Advanced Power Options window, scroll down and expand the option for USB settings. Now, expand the menu for USB Selective Suspend settings. Now, disable the USB Selective Suspend feature for both plugged in and on battery mode one by one. Click on Apply and then on OK to save the settings. Isn't this easy and interesting? If you have any doubts, please go to the original article on the Windows Club and write your question. We will surely answer it. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.